Hello, innovators and trailblazers. Welcome back to Startup Inspiration, where we unpack the journeys of the world's most successful startups. Today, we're feasting on the story of Zomato, a company that started from a humble idea and now serves millions worldwide. From menu listings to becoming a food delivery behemoth, Zomato's journey is one of resilience, innovation, and fiery ambition. Are you ready to savor these delectable lessons from Zomato's transformation into a unicorn? Then let's jump right in. Founded in 2008 by Deepinder Goyal and Pankaj Chaddah, Zomato started as a humble platform named Foodtech for exploring menus and dining options in New Delhi, India. With a simple idea, to solve the problem of menu discovery, they ventured into the then nascent Indian startup ecosystem. Within 2 years, recognizing the potential for expansion, Foodtech transformed into Zomato, setting the stage for a brand that would soon make waves internationally. The key strategy driving this initial phase of growth was a focus on high-quality content that catered to food lovers. From detailed restaurant listings, menus, to user reviews, Zomato positioned itself as the one-stop solution for all food-related queries. In 2012, Zomato decided to make its first significant stride by expanding into international markets. They began with the United Arab Emirates, soon spreading to Sri Lanka, Qatar, the United Kingdom, Turkey, and South Africa. They were able to localize their content to cater to the unique dining preferences in these markets. As Zomato expanded its footprint across continents, they concurrently introduced innovative features such as the Zomato for Business app, to help restaurants manage their listings and interact with users, showing their commitment to offer unique value propositions for all stakeholders. Zomato's growth story, however, was not just a function of its geographic expansion. The startup also understood the importance of diversifying its offerings. In 2015, it marked its entry into the online food delivery segment, which proved to be a turning point for the company. By leveraging its vast repository of restaurant information, Zomato was uniquely positioned to succeed in this new venture. The years that followed were turbulent, but Zomato held its ground. Amid funding crunches, layoffs, and increasing competition, Zomato's team displayed immense resilience. They focused on improving their operational efficiency, streamlining their business model, and adding new revenue channels such as Zomato Gold, now Zomato Pro, a subscription-based service for exclusive dining experiences. In 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic hit, challenging Zomato's resilience yet again. With lockdowns affecting the entire restaurant industry, the company had to innovate to survive. Zomato introduced contactless dining and grocery delivery, aiding not just its survival but also the recovery of countless restaurants that partnered with them. Zomato's success culminated in a spectacular IPO in 2021, earning them the coveted status of a unicorn company. Its valuation skyrocketed, crossing the $1 billion mark and making it one of India's most successful startup stories. Today, Zomato is a global brand operating in 24 countries and serving millions of users. Zomato's journey from a simple idea to a unicorn startup serves as an inspiring story of resilience, innovation, and the power of a customer-centric approach. It emphasizes that with a vision and relentless pursuit of serving the customer, no obstacle is insurmountable, and no goal is unachievable. Thank you for watching this story. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel to hear more such stories.